This is the class I am going to demonstrate the features that we have in Congrea. Unfortunately, I don't have any students coming to attend it because I already did it, but well, we were just learning how to do this. So here we have the whiteboard. The whiteboard is interesting because I can add many things to this. I can add text. We can add some text here, so it says enter your text. So here we can have text, we can have size, let's see, 30 points for text. This is my text. Can you see it? Perfect. Continue. There we go. So that's the text we can have in this option of screen sharing with the whiteboard. Now I can add another board, so it's like an insert page. Now I can use these shapes. So let me use, we can have here a rectangle. Now let me add another shape. Let's see, a circle. And then why not? Let's add a triangle inside this. Okay, so now here we have. So I have two whiteboards, and then I can add a next one. For this one, I can use the freehand. I can choose a color, and I can just go and be very creative. Alright, here we have kind of a little house. Okay, so there we go. Very nice. Here we have etc. You get the gist of it. Okay, so that's the whiteboard. Let's finish this. Clear all. Do you want to clear the board? Yes, everything. Now I go back to the next board. Do I want to clear it? Do I want to clear it? Etc. So there we go. Here is everything. Now we can go and document sharing. So here we have these documents from Dr. Snelly this morning class that she had. But I want to upload my own document. So here, text editor, quiz, poll, share video, share screen, document sharing. Now let me see, upload a document here. So if upload a document, now I can choose the document I want to share. So let's see, for example, I want to share a document here. Let's see, a conversation here, document. This is a conversation for students to practice with each other using the modal auxiliary can. Now here I have it. It's in here. Now here I can say share, document sharing. So there we go. Now you can see the screen. This is an activity for student B, so it's going to ask partner A these questions. We're going to check, they're going to guess, and they have fun. There we go. So now let's see, clear all. We want to clear this report. Now we have here screen share. I'm going to share, select window, or select, here we can have, it's going to ask me what do I want to share. A presentation, a PowerPoint presentation, a PDF file, any Microsoft, the entire screen. So let's go for presentation one. Let's see, toxins in foods. So now allow. So here I have this presentation. It is in here. Going on. Now I can just present it as slideshow. We go over each one. We discuss it. We see toxins in foods. Very nice. So it goes. Perfect. Now we can close it. And we go now to share something else. Now share video. So now I can share a video. Here it's asking me to share. Let me copy the video from Congrea that I posted already in YouTube. Now here is saving. So it says upload video. Okay, it's already there. So let me see. So if I want to share this video, so now it's like here play. Let's see. And here it is. Now I make it big. So that's the video, so how we share it. Okay, very good. Now let's see. Stop. Okay, now here we stop it. Now let's see if we have a poll. Let's launch this poll. Okay, so here we publish it, and this is the poll. What do you think of Congrea? I don't know yet. We'll see. Let's see, support, well, we'll see. Publish. Then we get 1 minute by instructor, so we don't have to wait a minute. Publish, and there we go. So people are going to vote. Let's see, for example, and then close voting. Do you want to close? Yes. And then here we see it. No votes received this poll. Okay. So when we have students, they will vote. Now here we can share a quiz. I don't have any quiz in there. Text editor and share a presentation. So we already did. We share our presentation. So this are the features that we have in our taskbar in Congrea. Now we can look at the settings here where we can have bulk options for the students. So to stop the audio, we mute all, we stop all the video for all, the private chat, common, raise questions. We don't want anything here. Everything is closed. Now we want to enable, we enable everything else. So this is how it is, the whiteboard, and now I'm going to end the session for all. Bye bye.